I'm in absolute awe of this house. Today we're at 2060 Forester Creek Road, which is in El Cajon off of Greenfield, so not too far off of the highway. Today's property is a 3-bed, 3-bath home at 2,752 square feet. It has an underground pool, paid off solar, and room for parking large trucks or an RV. I love that the front door is red. The rest of the house, just all around on the patio, that's all white. And then you just have this pop of the red door. I think it's genius. First, step on the inside, you can see it's an open layout of the dining area, the kitchen, and then you have the stairs going straight up. We have the family room is to the right of the front door, and then this is like a kid's playroom. That's what the current owners have it set up as, but potentially you could make this into the dining room. So it kind of wraps around this area. The stairways is in the middle of the house, so you can kind of just go around in a little circle through the family room and then over into the kitchen and what they have set up as a little dining room. So this is how they have this set up right now. And this is the kitchen. Everything was upgraded between 2023 and 2024. Pretty brand new. They're all soft close. So cabinet and yeah, that's dishwasher, stainless steel appliances, and a butler's pantry access. You look around and you're like, well, where's the laundry room? How is this all at, where's my microwave? How is this all that I'm going to use? It's just a nice kitchen. Okay, there's some pantry items, whatever, and then you open this door. It's a hidden door, so very much like it's the butler's access. That's where they would hide, right? And then this is where the laundry room is. And they have an extra fridge in here, and this is where they keep their microwave and other appliances that you don't wanna have sitting out on the kitchen counter all the time. It is a 3-car garage. This is the entry to it. I'm not gonna show it just because it is the owner's stuff is in that room. All right, so now I'm just gonna show you the upstairs area. The banisters have this nice wood feel to them. It has that wood wraparound so you can see every room. And all the rooms are not like right next to each other. They're obviously on the same floor, but they're not immediately next to each other. Here's bedroom 1. Another cool part of the house is the driveway. And it's not just that it's the wraparound there, the circular driveway there, but it also comes back further behind the house. So your cars aren't in the front yard or anything. This is a 3-car garage. I will say, I don't know what car fits in that garage, but they do have a golf cart in there, so that's probably what they use it for. I think if I tried, I could probably fit my car, like a small compact car. I think that's about it. This house is pretty cool. It's one of the more unique homes that I've seen, and they did a great job. Thank you so much for coming with me on this tour of this home in El Cajon. Remember, I am a licensed real estate agent, so if you would like to buy this property or buy any other property in the future, contact me. All my contact info is going to be in the description below, so if you have any questions, do not hesitate to call me. It is me. I am the one that answers the phone. Thank you so much for watching my video today, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye.